Good morning, guys. So today I decided to run a few errands, and I'm at Target, of course. My hair looks so crazy, and this hat looks so big on me. But I mainly just need some like leggings, two-piece sets. So that's what I'm here at Target for. These are shorts. I don't really want this. Those collard greens. Just got done with the grocery shopping. My nail came off. But yeah, luckily these are fresh ones. I could glue them back on, but I didn't even show y'all my nails. They look so cute. Yeah. But I'm about to head home. I know later on I have to go to the bank. Hopefully y'all enjoying the vlog so far. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Yeah. And thank you for 268 subscribers. I see y'all. And thank you for all the views and stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all when I get home. After I came back from Target, I got this big old thing of Eco Solid Gel. I'll tell you that I use this every single day. $22. Thing that I hate is when you go to the beauty supply store for one thing and you wind up buying 15 other things and spending almost an arm and a leg there. Yeah. But yeah, I got this. I got some braiding hair. I'm gonna get my hair done next Friday. Stay tuned for that vlog. My mom got some Razak. This is good. And then I just got some edge booster because I ran out of mine. I don't know what scent this is. I guess this isn't the scented one. Yeah, I guess it's not the scented one. This is the only thing that holds my edges. So if you haven't tried this, you should try it. Also forgot to show y'all I got some acetone. Also got some stuff at Target, but I don't feel like showing y'all that. I'm about to chill out for a few minutes and then I have to head back out. So yeah. In class while I'm making some press-on nails. Let me show you how cute these are. Clearly, we're doing a Halloween theme. This is one hand. I already have this hand finished. So this is the other hand. This is gonna be my right hand. Look at the cute little zombie I'm making. We're really gonna eat so bad. I'm gonna finish up in class and I'm gonna finish doing these nails. Because I definitely want to cook later on, and I still need to go to the bank, which I don't know if I'm gonna go today. But yeah. Oh, I'm gonna catch y'all in a few. So it is, what time is it? Dang, what time is it? It's 5:40. I got out of class early. The press-ons. Oh my gosh, look how cute. First of all, look at this little zombie that I did. Like, I'm so proud of myself. Like, this is my first time really doing like drawing nail art, and it was not that difficult, I'm not gonna lie. So this just got me open, but look how cute. I really did this. Like, look at the detail. But yeah, I'm not done yet. I still have to do this pinky finger. but I just did the index and I finished up the zombie, and I'm actually so in love with these. Like, they look so good so far. I'm gonna cook and y'all gonna cook with me. So I want to make these chicken. Let me show it to y'all so y'all know what I'm talking about. I remember when we started texting. I was trying to cool you was flexing. I know I wasn't the only one you messed with, but it was good. I was on to the next one. I remember when you started checking up. Boy, you must have learned your lesson. Trying to tell me how I always was a blessing. Stayed in the areas, but you guessed it. Yeah, I got you. Too bad I'm vibing, nigga. I'd be fine without you. Guess you found out all the mother hoes wasn't about you. And now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. Alright, so my chicken is all cut up, so I'm getting ready to season it. Now you wishing you was with me, living life so true. Even on your friend that I was cool with, they don't know that you be on that bullshit. Even though they didn't think that I was stupid, you be. But I ain't tripping, just don't push it. It's cool, I'ma focus on my vision. Cause you only get one pass and you used it. Amusement. So funny how you used to flex, how'd you lose it? So stupid, and it's so amusing. Your effort is so useless, and now you're gonna waste your time chasing me. Nigga, please. Ain't no need to waste your time being caught up over me. Nigga, please. I don't wanna hear about it. You can tell your friends about it. Yeah, I feel like I had such a long day today, but I'm about to chill and eat my Greek wrap or whatever, and I might edit too, I don't know. But yeah, that's basically it. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and follow me on Instagram, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. Peace.